Welcome. Today, I have brought a new riddle that can trick and twist your mind. You would need a calculator. So here is the puzzle. I have 3 children. The product of their ages is 36. The sum of their ages is the same as my house number. I am older than my youngest child by 24 years. What are the ages of my children? You got the answer? If not, then here is the explanation. We can start by using the first clue to eliminate some of the options. The product of the ages of the children is 36. This means that the ages must be factors of 36. The only option that has 3 factors of 36 is C, 3, 4, and 3. Next, we can use the second clue to check if the sum of the ages of the children is the same as the house number. The sum of the ages of the children in option C is 10, which is the same as the house number in the puzzle. Finally, we can use the third clue to check if the father is older than his youngest child by 24 years. The father's age in option C is 27, which is 24 years older than the youngest child's age of 3. Therefore, the answer is C, 3, 4, and 3.